Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to clean cutlery with vinegar. Neat and clean cutlery is extremely important for your health and hygiene. So, does vinegar clean cutlery? Yes, vinegar has natural cleaning powers that will remove all the dust from your cutlery and give it a perfect long-lasting shine. How to clean cutlery with vinegar? Well, here is a quick process for it. Take the aluminum foil and line it into the baking dish. Then take the given amount of sea salt and vinegar and start mixing them. Then you have to sprinkle the whole mixture over the baking dish. Now you have to take the required amount of boiling water and add it to the baking dish. But take care while pouring the boiling water. It's time to add the cutlery into the baking dish now. Start adding the items one by one and make sure all of them are completely submerged in the water. It's time to take some rest and let the cutlery soak in the solution. After the wait, now it is time to remove the cutlery from boiling water. Dry your cutlery items by using clean microfiber cloths. And there you have neat and clean shining cutlery items. Thanks for watching.